write history without a pen. No ID on the track, let the story begin. This is anti-auto-tune, death for the ringtone. This ain't for iTunes, this ain't for sing-alongs. This is Sinatra at the opera, with a blonde, preferably with a fat ass who can sing a song. Wrong, this ain't politically correct. This might offend my political connects. My raps don't have melodies. This shit make niggas want go and commit felonies. Get your chain tooken. I made through it myself, I'm so Brooklyn. I know we facing a recession, but the music y'all making gon' make it the Great Depression. Or your lack of aggression. Put your skirt back down, throw a set, man. Nigga, this shit violent. This is death for auto-tune, moment of silence. This ain't a #1 record. This is practically assault with a deadly weapon. I made this just for flexing. Mr. C, I want niggas to feel threatened. Stop your black crying, they hit the dog. Everybody dying, no lying. You niggas jeans too tight, your colors too bright, your voice too light. I might wear black for real streets. I might bring back Versace shades. This ain't the C100. Ye told me to kill y'all to keep it 100. This is for Hot 97. This shit for Blue, for Cali, but we the best thing. Nigga, this shit violent. This is death for auto-tune, moment of silence. This shit need a verse from Cheesy. I might send this to the mixtape easy. Get somebody from BMF to talk on it. Get this to a blood, let a crip walk on it. Give me loud style on this. I just don't need nobody to smile on this. That nigga singing too much. Get back to rap, you T-painting too much. I'm a multi-millionaire, so how is it I'm still the hardest nigga here? I don't be in the project hallway talking about how I be in the project all day. That sounds stupid to me. If you a gangster, this is how you prove it to me. Nigga, just get violent. This is death for auto-tune, moment of silence.